I'm going to take a picture of this. I am going to take a picture of my face. Okay.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's
Good morning, guys. How you all doing? It's morning time. I'm getting up doing the same routine that I usually do. Remember I told you guys that I have a morning routine. I have a morning or evening routine for my hair, and that's what's making my hair grow. Today I am oiling my hair with Sulfur 8. So guys, let me tell you, today I am in the mood to wear a wrap, a beautiful scarf wrap. That's what I'm in the mood for. Remember I had bought that wrap from Team U? Yeah. Well, it's okay. It's okay. I'm glad I only bought one. It's nothing, wrong with it, guys. It's just that it's not really how I want, my wrap to be. It's good to just, have a spa day and, have that on your hair and, just chill. You still look decent, Because even though on my downtime, I still want to be cute. I still want to be cute. No, I am in the mood for a, like a scarf wrap. So, just in case you guys are the type that, don't want to wear a wig. Wigs are hot. Wigs are uncomfortable. I always say, have a hairpiece just so you can, have a plan, just in case things don't work out. You can always, have a hairpiece or a ponytail, to run to, just in case, and I have those. I have me, ponytails and little different hair pieces, that I can wear just in case I need to have a quick style or get bored with how I'm wearing my hair, or just want a different look. For whatever reason you wear your hairpiece, you have it. So, I am getting up. I'm doing my same regimen that I do that is growing my hair. I told you guys my hair is strong and I love it. So that is done. So I am around the house, cleaning up, doing repairs, organizing, so a couple of things I want to do with my house today. I said, you know what? Just put your hair up. I don't know how this is going to go, but I really do want to be able to have a beautiful style with a wrap. Because sometimes you don't feel like doing your hair, but you do want to have some type of style. So, because I know my hair, I'm not going to get all off into the front part of it. I'm not doing that. What I am going to do is, I got my hair bonnet, I got it in a ball, and I am going to put it like right here. Then I am going to get a hat, stocking cap. Now I got to be very careful with this, guys, because I don't like tight stuff around my head. I already know I don't. I do not like. It gives me headaches and stuff, So I really don't like to have tight stuff around my head. So I got to make sure I make it where it doesn't hurt me. So that is on there. And I think I'm going to put another one on there. I feel it sliding now because of the oil. But that's something that I knew as well because I have tried this before. But this is what I'm in the mood, how I'm in the mood to wear my hair today. So, because we have all this oil on our hair, so how about right here then? So if that is the case, here we are, like that. Hold on. So right now I'm just going to put a little bit of the Echo Styling Gel, you know, on my baby hairs. Because my hair is oiled, I already know that it is going to roll and curl and, you know, do all that. So I'm just, you know, not making a big thing out of it, because I already know what it's going to do. While I'm doing this, guys, hit the like, subscribe, share, and notification bell so you won't miss the next video. Because I am going to try to come to you guys on a daily with what I'm doing with my hair every morning, basically to, you know, set my hair and things of that nature. I'm going to try to. So I'm going to try to come to you on a regular more often than I do of how I get myself ready in the morning and how we caring for our hair. Almost like a daily update on where's our hair today? Where's our hair? All right. So now, since we have that on there, I'm going to see if this is going to hold. And I'm going to put a scarf on here, even though I need a bigger one. So this is what our hair should look like. So this is just one of those bands that I bought from, you know, the beauty supply. Now, this would be ideal, but I would rather have that in black. By that being so light, I know that's going to mess up. So what I am going to do is I'm going to do it halfway. And this is just by ear, guys. It seemed like my bands, my scarves, like hold better if they over my ears somewhat. So I did it halfway. I'm going to tie it here. And this is where it gets tricky. Because I know if I do it too tight, it's not going to look right. Well, so this is, you know, like I said, I'm just playing this by ear. I know if I do it too tight, it's going to slide off. I know if I have it like behind my ears, it's going to slide off. Because that's what I have been, you know, experiencing in the past. But I don't want it to look like we just put a scarf on our head and, you know, walked out. I want this to look like this is on purpose, of a stylish look of what we tried to do. So I'm just wrapping this around, and back here, I'm tucking it. See that? So now that looks pretty. Now, if you want to go and put something around there, like a gold rope or a braid or whatever that you, some jewelry, you know, costume necklace or something, that will make it look, you know, like this is intentional, then you set. But this is the way that I am going to wear it. I would love to put this behind my ears. How about like that? And then I'll probably use one of my crochet braids and put the little gold clips on it, wrap it around here so it will look like this was intentional. So where you go with this from here, you know, that's on you. But that looks pretty. That looks real pretty. I got my dollar store. I have my dollar store headband here that can decorate it. I can have it towards the front, or I can have it towards the middle. Me, either way will do, but I like it towards the front. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, guys, I am going to tell you, because it's on here, the way it is on here and the way that it looks, and I'm loving it, I have just solved a lot of issues. Whether I'm making a quick run to the store because I'm about to go to the store and get some things for dinner, or I'm going to the gym, or I am just sitting around the house wanting to be sexy. And I just feel pretty, but I am very excited about this scarf wrap, and I am going to go get either other headbands to match whatever outfit I have on, or different scarves. I'm probably going to go to the material store and get different scarves in different colors to match whatever outfit or pajamas I have on, just to keep my look going. Well, guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV. Thank you for coming by, spending this morning with me. I really do appreciate you guys. You are the reason why my channel is growing. You thumbs up, you like it, you share. And guys, you are awesome. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.